Motherboards with PCIe 5.0 ensure faster data transfer, future-proofing, improved GPU performance, and compatibility with next-generation high-speed components. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS Motherboard. This motherboard is built as a true next-generation platform, especially for AI-driven workloads and high-performance computing. With AMD AM5 socket support, it is fully compatible with Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, ensuring long-term upgrade flexibility. The robust 14+2+1 88 DRMOS power design, 8-layer PCB, and Pro-Cool connectors deliver extremely stable and efficient power delivery, even under heavy CPU loads. Storage performance is future-ready with a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot alongside dual PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all supported by dedicated heatsinks for thermal control. Connectivity is a major highlight, featuring Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5.0x 16 graphic support, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C, and Thunderbolt, USB 4, header compatibility. Now our second product is Gigabyte Motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is designed for users who want a strong balance of performance, stability, and next-gen features. Supporting Ryzen 7000 series processors, it delivers excellent upgrade potential for modern gaming and productivity builds. The DDR5 memory support with 4 SMD DIMM slots and both AMD Expo and Intel XMP compatibility ensures high speed, optimized memory performance with easy tuning. Its 12+2+2 phase digital VRAM design provides clean and stable power delivery, making it suitable for demanding workloads and sustained performance. Thermal engineering is another strong point, with advanced cooling for VRAMs and an M.2 thermal guard that helps maintain SSD efficiency under heavy usage. Storage and connectivity are also future-ready, featuring a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot, dual PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C port. Our third product is Inline Motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 5 5500 and MSI A520M A Pro bundle delivers a solid, budget-friendly foundation for smooth 1080p gaming and everyday productivity. The Ryzen 5 5500, with 6 cores and 12 threads, offers strong multitasking performance, reaching up to 4.2 GHz boost and supporting overclocking for extra headroom. Paired with the included Wraith Stealth cooler, it provides efficient thermal control for stable daily use. With support for DDR4-3200 memory, and up to 19 megabytes cache, responsiveness in games and applications remains fast and consistent, often achieving 100+ FPS in popular esports titles when combined with a discrete GPU. The MSI A520M, a Pro motherboard, enhances stability with its Core Boost and DDR4 Boost technologies, ensuring reliable power delivery and clean signal performance. Turbo M.2 support enables faster NVMe SSD speeds, while 2-ounce copper PCB improves durability and heat dissipation. Now number 4, Micro Center Motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D combined with the ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Wi-Fi motherboard forms a premium, future-ready platform built for elite gaming and advanced computing. The 7800X 3D stands out with its 8 cores, 16 threads, and massive 104 megabytes L2 plus L3 cache powered by AMD 3D V-Cache technology, delivering exceptional gaming performance that consistently pushes high FPS with outstanding frame stability. With a 5.0 GHz boost clock, DDR5 support, and PCIe 5.0 readiness, it ensures top-tier responsiveness for both gaming and productivity, though a dedicated cooling solution is essential due to the 120W TDP. The Asus TUF B850 Wi-Fi enhances this power with a robust 8+2+1 88 DRMOS power design, reinforced 8-layer PCB, and Pro-Cool connectors for stable delivery under heavy loads. Storage and connectivity are equally advanced with PCIe 5.0, multiple M.2 slots, USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. With strong thermal engineering and DIY-friendly features like Q-Latch and BIOS flashback, this combo is a high-end, durable, and highly optimized build for serious gamers and creators. And our last choice is Ashrock Motherboard. This motherboard is a well-balanced, performance-focused platform designed for modern high-speed computing and gaming builds. Its 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 power phase design with Dr. MOS for V-Core, GT, and SA ensures efficient and stable power delivery, supporting both gaming loads and heavy multitasking with consistent reliability. The 4 DDR5 and slots support dual-channel memory and extreme overclocking speeds up to 8666 plus megahertz, making it highly future-ready for memory-intensive applications. Storage performance is a standout feature with the blazing M.2 PCIe Gen 5x4 slot, delivering cutting-edge NVMe SSD speeds for ultra-fast boot times and data transfer. Graphics output via HDMI and DisplayPort adds flexibility for different display setups. Audio quality is enhanced by the Realtek ALC12 27.1-channel HD codec, paired with Nahimic audio for immersive sound. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.